Good morning, students. Today we are going to study the next exercise, that is about exercise number 5.3. That is depend on probability. I think this is first time you are going to study probability, and all of you have to look at here very properly. Why? Because probability starts from class 8th. Okay, and it goes up to BSc, MSc and so on. Means probability is a very broad topic. But in class 8th, that is very simple, as you know, because you are studying in class 8th only. Now, all of you have to look at here very properly. We can say probability as chances also. Okay, if there is any chance to do the work, then there is a probability. Okay, and all of you always, probability is denoted by PE, means what? Probability of an event E. Probability of an event what? E. Probability always greater and equals to 0, but always less than and equals to what? 1. You all have to remember about it. Probability maximum उसकी किसी भी काम के होने की probability क्या हो सकती है? 1 हो सकती है. Means जब वो confirm हो, that have मतलब वो confirm होगा ही होगा. Means at that time the probability of that event will be what? 1. If that work is impossible, then the probability of that work will be what? That will be 0. Okay, students. Now, probability, we have got what? The probability is denoted by PE. PE means what? Probability of any event. It may be great. It is always greater and equals to 0, but less than equals to 1. Probability of an event is 0 means what? That is an impossible event. That will not happen. And the probability of an event is equals to 1 means that is a sure event. That is what? That is a sure event. Okay. Now, what is the formula of probability? Formula of probability is what? The formula of probability is NE upon NS. NE upon NS. What is the means of NE? NE means the number of favorable outcomes. The number of favorable outcomes. Okay, students? Favorable outcomes. Okay. Now, what is the means of NS? The NS means total number of possible outcomes. Total number of possible outcomes. Okay, students. What is the formula? Probability of an event is equal to what? NE upon NS. NE means what? The number of favorable outcomes, and NS means what? The number of total outcomes. The number of what? Total outcomes. If I am saying to you, I am giving an example to you that you have tossed a coin. What you have done? You have tossed a coin. What is the probability that tail will come? Okay. Okay. Now you tell me what are the total outcomes, what are the total possible outcomes. There are two possible outcomes. If there may be tail or what? Head. Okay, that is why there are what? There are two possible outcomes, and you know it very well that one outcome will happen only. One event will be happen only. It may be that tail will come, or it may be that head will come. That is where the number of favorable outcome what? 1. And we have to find out what? Probability of tail comes, means tail comes only once. Okay, there are two possible outcomes, head or tail, but head or tail will come only once. Okay, that is why number of favorable outcomes is what? 1. Now we have to find out what? Probability is what? NE upon NS. Okay, NE upon NS. N is what? 1 and NS is what? 2. So 1 upon 2 is the probability of coming head or probability of coming tail. Why? Because head also comes once or tail also comes once. But the total number of outcomes in the both conditions will be only and only 2. Okay, students. I think you have got it that what I wanted to tell you. Okay, students. Now I'm going to tell you some more examples. If I'm saying to you that okay, tell me if you will toss a coin, then what are the possible outcomes? You will tell me, sir, it may be that head will come or maybe tail will come. Okay, if I will say to you that if you have two coins, then tell me that what are the possible outcomes. Then you will tell me, sir, it may be that head will come in the both coins, or tail comes in the both coins, or head comes in the first coin and tail comes in the next coin, or it may be that tail comes in the first coin or head comes in the next coin. This is what? This is a sample space, student. This is what? Sample space. I have written what by SS. Okay. Okay, students, you have got what? Sample space. You have got what, students? All of you have got sample space. Okay. So what are the sample space? I think all of you are getting very good. Uh, now I'm saying that if I'm throwing a coin. If I'm throwing not a coin, I'm throwing a dice. Now you tell me what are the possible outcomes come. Okay. Then you will tell me that it may be that 1 will come, or 2, or 3, or 4, or 5, or 6. Okay. But you will not, you cannot say that 7 may become or 8 may become, because why? Because in the dice 7 or 8 does not come. Okay. What are the sample space? Means the total outcomes, total possible outcomes is known as what? That is a sample space. Okay, students, I think all of you have got it very clearly. Now we will go to the, again I am going to the probability. Again I am going to the probability. What is the formula? That is what? NE upon NS. What is the means of NE? That is number of favorable outcomes. What is the means of NS? That is the total number of possible outcomes. Example, I am taking that if you are throwing one coin, then what is the probability of coming one head? First you write down how many, what is the sample space. If you are throwing a coin, means there will be only one head or one tail. Okay. Now you have to get what? Probability of head comes. Okay. Tell me what are the, how many times head comes. Then after total number of sample space, head comes only once. That is 1. And total number of sample space, how many total number of sample space? That is 2. That is 2. That is why the probability of head comes, that is what? 1 by 2. Same, if I will say that what is the probability of tail comes, you will also say, sir, number of tail comes upon total number of sample space. Yes, number of tail comes one time and total number of sample space was 2. That is why the probability of tail comes, that will also 2. Okay. The next example, if I will take that, if you are throwing a die, okay, and I am saying that what is the probability of getting 5? What is the probability of getting 5? First we write down what? Sample space. What are the sample space? If you are throwing a die, then there will be either 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6. Okay. Now we have to find out the probability of 5 comes. How many times 5 come? First upon total number of what? Sample space. This is S. Okay. And this is what? 5. This is what? 5. Okay. Now you tell me how many times 5 come? That is of one time only. What are the sample space? Sorry, number of sample space, that is 6. So the probability of 5 comes is what? 1 by 6. Okay, students. Okay, if I will take the next example, if I will say that you are throwing a die, sorry, you are throwing 2 dice. Okay. If you are throwing 2 dice, then what will be the sample space? Okay, it may be that 1 will come. In the first die 1, in the second die 1, in the first die 1, in the second die 2, in the one die 1, next die 3. Okay, next it may be that 1 4 will come. Okay, or 1 5 will come, or 1 6 will come. Okay, students, it may be that 2 1 will come, 2 2 will come, 2 3 will come. Okay, 2 4 will come, 2 4 will come. Okay, 2 5 will come, 2 6 will come. Okay, there will be, as it is total, there will be 36 sample spaces. How? When in the first die 1 comes, then there are 6 sample spaces. When in the first die 2 comes, there are 6 sample spaces. As it is, when 3 comes, there will be 6 sample spaces. What? 3 1, 3 2, 3 3, 3 4, 3 5, 3 6, and so on. Okay. Next will be what? 4 1, 4 2, 4 3, 4 4, 4 5, and 4 6. Then what I want to tell you, that there will be how many sample space? There will be total 36 sample space. Okay. If I am asking that what is the probability of getting 10 as sum of digits? Okay. Okay, tell me when you will get the sum of the digits 10. When you will get what? You will get 5 5. In the first die also 5, in the second die also 5, or in the first die 4, in the second die 6, in the first die 6, or in the second die 4. There are 3 possible conditions in which the sum of the digits will be what? 10. Then first you write on what? Number of possible outcomes in which the sum is 10 upon total number of sample space. Okay. Okay, tell me that how many possible outcomes in which you are getting the sum 10? That is only 3 possible outcomes, and total outcomes is what? 36. Now the answer will be what? 1 by 12. Okay, students. Okay. I think all of you have got it that what is the means of probability and how will I solve it, students. Okay. Okay. Should I take one more question also? Okay. I am saying that how many Sunday come? How many? What is the probability of Sunday comes in a week? What is the probability of Sunday comes in a week? Okay. How many Sunday comes in a week means we have to find out the probability of Sunday comes. Okay, you know that number of Sunday comes in a week upon total number of total number of possible outcomes. Okay, SU means what? Sunday. And you know that in a week Sunday comes only once. And what are the total sample space means what are the days in a week? That is what? 7. That is where the probability of Sunday comes will be what? That will be 1 by 7. Okay, students. In the next video, we will study exercise. I think all of you have got it very properly, and this is the introduction video on what? Probability. Very good, students. Now we will discuss exercise in the next video.